Meter readouts are displayed in 3 different categories. Completed readouts. These are planned and already completed meter readings. Meters can be grouped into arbitrary groups. Open a group to view the included meters. Open a meter card to view more details. Data export and import. The import and export functions can be accessed via the drop-down menu at the top. Data export allows saving the recorded meter data. The file format can be selected in the settings. Using data import, previously recorded data can be reloaded, decrypted, and decoded. Location map. This page shows your location and the location of the readings, or the position of meters. The recording of the read position can be enabled or disabled in the settings under Extras. The drop-down menu at the top allows switching between planned readings and randomly discovered meters. Settings. This page allows configuring various settings. Planned meter readings are displayed on this page. The desired wireless M-bus link mode can be selected here. The device type filter allows selecting specific meter types. This page allows to lock settings by password.